up? It's your boy Coordinates back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Trippie Red, Red Sky featuring Machine Gun Kelly. It's a very easy song, guys. We're going to be using basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in center tuning and put your capo on fret number 0. We're not using the capo. I'm just so used to saying that. Anyways, let's start where the song starts with the intro. C, E minor, C, A minor, C, A minor. Alright, so you have that whole, the intro is just going. So that's C to A minor, and then you go to G. Alright, so that's C to A the first time, and then C again to A the second time, C, A minor, and then G to A minor. And every time I was saying A, it's actually A minor. So the chords here are C, which is 03202, 0321010. And then we go to A minor, which is 00221. And then we have a G, which is 320001. And that's it. My strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 down. Alright. And let's get into the verse. Okay, we have that. I don't know if this is the verse or the chorus, but we then have this whole E minor, C, G, and then we have this is a B minor, alright? You can play it as a bar chord, which is basically an A minor, but in frets 2 and 3, and then you bar the second fret. Or you can hold it as 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Alright, like that. So now we're playing E minor to C. E minor is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. C. And then B. This is actually a B7 or D minor, whichever you want to call it. Alright, so this is the part where they're going sometimes, and just the part right after the intro. Times I feel like I really need to get away. Na, 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 na. E minor, C, G, and then your B minor. And the strumming pattern here is. Okay, it's still the same. Alright, let's get into the verse after that. Alright, so it goes back to what we were playing in the intro, where they go, life grows like dear, dear, die. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. Let's just cycle to see if there's another chord change that we haven't already covered. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out, and I will get to that. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hold on. Okay, so we have this na 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 after the second chorus, right? Where we're playing E minor, G, D, and then C the sometimes I realize that I really need to get away. E minor, G, D, and then C, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.